In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply as a template creator in CapCut. If you've ever wanted to share your creative skills with the world while earning money and growing your following, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. CapCut is a powerful and easy-to-use video editing platform, and their template creator program allows users to contribute templates that others can use in their own projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to complete and submit your application to join this exciting program. And if you haven't already signed up for CapCut, you can use the link in the description below to create your account and get started. First, let's begin by accessing the application page. Open your web browser and go to the official CapCut Template Creator application page. The web address is www.capcut.com/partners/template-creator-us. This is the official gateway to the program, so you'll want to make sure you're on the correct website and not a lookalike. Verifying this step is crucial to protect your personal information and avoid phishing risks. Check that the URL matches exactly and look for indicators like secure site icons in the browser. Once you're on the site, the next thing to do is review the program details. Take a moment to read through the information provided on the application page about the CapCut Template Creator program. This will help you understand what the program is all about, including how it offers opportunities to earn money and build a following by creating templates. While you're here, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. Applicants must be at least 18 years old and based in the US. Now, CapCut does sometimes make rare exceptions for international applicants. So if you're located outside the US, it might still be worth reviewing the criteria and applying if you believe you qualify. Next up, let's start the application process. On the application page, locate and click the Apply Now button. This will launch the application form. Once the form opens, take a moment to read the introduction at the top. This section will give you important insight into what's expected of template creators and the benefits of joining the program. Understanding these details will set you up for success as you move forward. Now it's time to fill out the application form. Begin by entering your email address in the designated field. This email is how CapCut will contact you about your application status and any updates, so make sure you use an email address that you check regularly. Double check for any typos before moving on. Next, you'll be asked how you heard about the CapCut Template Creator program. Choose the option that applies to you. This could be through platforms like Discord, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the CapCut app, or another source. Your response here helps CapCut understand how people are discovering the program. You'll then be asked to confirm your age. Select yes if you're 18 years or older, or no if you're not. Keep in mind that being at least 18 is a requirement for most applicants since this is a paid program. However, as mentioned earlier, exceptions might apply in rare cases for international creators. Make sure to answer this section honestly and accurately. Before submitting, it's essential to review all the information you've entered. Double-check everything to ensure it's accurate and complete. Once you're confident everything looks good, click the Submit button. This officially enters your application into the selection process for becoming a CapCut template creator. Keep in mind that you might experience a short wait for a response, depending on how many applications CapCut is currently processing. And for the final part, be sure to monitor your email inbox for any follow-up communication from CapCut. Keep an eye out for updates about your application status or next steps in the process. If you don't see any messages right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case the email gets filtered there. And that's how you apply to become a template creator in CapCut. By following these steps, you're well on your way to joining a program that allows you to showcase your creativity, earn money, and connect with a growing community. If you have any questions or tips about the application process, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.